Daisy, I don't know why, but it's not letting me put your comment up there, so we're gonna run it this way, and then I'll just run a screenshot of your comment at the very end of my video. But Daisy commented and said do 43, so ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get into it. If you're new here, I am filling envelopes to save for tree removal. I gotta find it and I'll be right back. 20, 40, 1, 2, and 3. The envelope. This chair. Now into the safe. Daisy, thank you so much for being here and following and interacting with my videos. I also just followed you back. Have a good night. Thank you.